Good morning, my dear students, and this is Santosh share before you again after taking one class. School opened only for one day, and again we are going to teach you all online because the weather has once again played a very spoiled role. That's why today we are going to teach you online. So I have compiled some questions for all of you that is based on articles, and this compilation has 6 questions right now, and after their description, after their correction, I shall write 4 more questions for you all. So the questions have been written, and I think you might have seen them because in videos I think all are very much clear to all. So the first question here, first these questions are based on articles, and here in the bracket I have written correct the following sentences, and I have already taught you all articles and their rules a and the. So I hope that you all would do the questions as much as possible. Would like to do corrections. So the first question that is before you: my father does not go to the city on the foot. So what is the problem lying here? My father does not go to the city on the foot. So this is the problem of article, and problem, where is the problem lying? I'll give you 2 minutes, 1 minute time only, okay, and try to do them. And if you are not able to do them, then I will correct them before you, okay. So 1 minute time I'm giving you, try your best. Okay, my dear students, and I think you all would have tried your best to find out the errors. The error is lying in this point only, on the foot. My father does not go to the city on foot. On foot. This is the right correction. As we know that there are some fixed expressions. There are some fixed expressions in which articles are essentially necessarily used. They are required, like on foot, take a bath. Here A is necessary. Here no articles are necessary. So these are fixed expressions. You don't have to use any article, and here you don't have to remove this one, this A. So there are so many expressions where you will see that either articles are not used, or articles are always used. These are fixed expressions. So the question is on the foot. It will be on foot only. The is wrong here. The next question: he goes to the bed at night every day. He goes to the bed at night every day. What is the error of article inside this question? You have to find it out. The problem is the will not be used. The correct form will be he goes to bed at night every day, because go to bed is always correct. Go to the bed is always incorrect. Try to understand this. So I had given you here the is wrong. You have to use without the. Like this is correct, this is incorrect. So please note down in your notebook. And I I hope that you might have noted them down also. This question, the error is 2, the bit, the is wrong, 2 bit only. Now, the man cannot leave pipe bread alone. What is the error inside it? What is the mistake? Try to find it out. I am giving you 1 minute time to detect the error, please. So the error is there. Here the cannot be used. Explanation is like this. आपको पहले बताया हुआ है कि जब मैन और वुमन शब्द का यूज वाइडर सेंस में करते हैं, इफ वी talk about man and woman in a wider sense, and you can also in other words say that when man and woman words are used widely, okay, to show their class, no articles are used, so that the is wrong here. आपको पता है कि मैन वुमन का प्रयोग जब वाइडर सेंस में किया जाता है, मतलब मैन और वुमन का जाति भर के लिए किया जाता है, तो द का यूज नहीं है. तो करेक्ट फॉर्म हुआ मैन cannot live by bread alone. So the is wrong. So write it down. So I hope that you all might have noted it down. Now I want to finish it off. You can also take its screenshot for your better experience. Question number 6. It is written in Gita that God incarnates himself. Incarnates का मतलब होता है मतलब फिर से जन्म लेना, है ना, फिर से पैदा लेना. And in this sentence it is written in Gita, and explanation is this, that before the names of holy books we always use the, बताया था कि जब भी होली बुक्स की चर्चा हो तो हमेशा हम द लगाते हैं, जैसे कि द गीता, द रामायणा, एक्सेट्रा. तो हमेशा इनके पहले द लगता है. एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस द वाज मिस्ड, द वाज मिसिंग है because the was not written, that's why this sentence was wrong. So now if you put the before Gita, it will become correct, like it is written in the Gita. अब ये वाक्य आपका सही हो गया. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो. तो ये क्वेश्चन मैं अभी फिनिश ऑफ करता हूँ. हमको आशा है आप सभी कॉपी कलम लेकर बैठे होंगे और आप लिख भी रहे होंगे. Now question number 5. A person I met in the theater was the playwright. Just listen. This regarding this question, I would like to tell you that इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन में मैं ये आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर who, whom, that, which, if they are used as रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस और इनके पहले कोई नाउन होता है तो उस नाउन के पहले हमेशा हम द लगाते हैं। ये आर्टिकल चैप्टर में ये पढ़ाया हुआ था, समझ लीजिए। पहले वो, दैट, विच एक्सेट्रा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन जो बन के आते हैं, इसके पहले जो एंटीसीडेंट रहता है, दिस नाउन इज ऑफन द एंटीसीडेंट एंड वी मस्ट यूज द बिफोर द नाउन नेसेसरली। आवश्यक रूप से हम इस नाउन के पहले द हम लगाते हैं, क्योंकि ये रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के पहले जो नाउन आता है वो अपने आप में पर्टिकुलर हो जाता है, खास हो जाता है, और खास जब होता है तो उसके पहले हम अच्छी तरह आपको पता है द लगा देते हैं। तो यहाँ अ पर्सन आई मेट नहीं, द पर्सन आई मेट, और यहाँ जो है रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को हिडन कर दिया गया है। किसी किसी वाक्य में रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को हाइड भी कर दिया जाता है। द पर्सन यहाँ होना था whom या who आई मेट, तो यहाँ who को और whom को क्या किया गया, खत्म कर देगा, हाइड कर देगा, इसलिए यहाँ हिडन है ये, और ये नाउन आया इसलिए यहाँ ये नहीं द का यूज करेंगे। इसको नोट जरूर करेगा। आई होप कि आप सभी नोट करते होंगे। इसको मिटाता हूँ मैं, अगर दिक्कत है तो आप वीडियो को रोक कर फिर देखेंगे, समझेंगे। इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन वी शैल डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम इन आवर ऑफलाइन क्लास। सो आई एम फिनिशिंग इट ऑफ। So the last question of this questionnaire is, a sun is shining brightly about the historian. So you better know this sun, all the heavenly bodies, all the unique things of the world often takes the before it, and sun is also in that category. So A will be changed into the. So its explanation question number 7. The moon, the stars. So these are heavenly bodies, and before them we often use the. Okay. So these are the things we have done 6 questions. One more question. So I am writing the 7th question before you for error detection. He is very thirsty, give him little water. He is very thirsty, give him little water. So just find out the error, where the error is lying. I am giving you some seconds of time to you. Find it out. So the error is lying here. He is very thirsty, give him little water. कहता है वो बहुत thirsty है, प्यासा है, उसे कुछ पानी दीजिए या थोड़ा पानी दीजिए। और थोड़ा के लिए हम लोग a little लगाते हैं, राइट है। लिटिल मीन्स सम हो जाता है, और a little मीन्स सम हो जाता है, और लिटिल मीन्स नो हो जाता है। तो जब अगर कोई व्यक्ति प्यासा है तो उसको थोड़ा पानी देंगे या पानी नहीं देंगे? पानी थोड़ा देंगे उसको, इसलिए वी हैव टू यूज हियर a. So a little water will be the right explanation. Question number 8. I was unhappy to hear the news. I was happy to hear the news of my brother failing in the examination. Of my brother failing in the examination. Just so write down this first, and I am finishing it 7 number question and its explanation. Even 7 number question I have done it. I have finished now. So I was unhappy to hear the news of my brother failing the examination. What is the problem? Problem is lying here, because happy is what? Happy is an adjective, and an adjective takes no article before until there is a noun after it. अगर इसके पहले कोई आर्टिकल आ जाता है तो हम नहीं लगाते, क्योंकि ये क्या है? एडजेक्टिव है. सो फाइनली हम नाउन आगे नाउन रखेंगे तभी लगाएंगे. जैसे हैप्पी मैन, ये नाउन आ गया, ये एडजेक्टिव है, तो अब यहाँ क्या चाहिए? आर्टिकल चाहिए, है ना? तो आर्टिकल में ये लगा दिया, तो ये आर्टिकल है, राइट? तो नाउन के पहले एडजेक्टिव, एडजेक्टिव पहले आर्टिकल आना चाहिए, राइट? सो ये हैप्पी के पहले नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे नाउन नहीं है वहाँ पे. तो आप देख सकते हैं आई वॉज एन हैप्पी लिखा हुआ, नाउन तो है नहीं, इसलिए वाक्य में एन नहीं होगा, कोई आर्टिकल नहीं होगा. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. This is an unique memorial of our country. प्रॉब्लम है बच्चों, यूनिक. यूनिक का उच्चारण जो है, यहाँ यह लिखने पे या ऐसे आता है हिंदी का, और जहाँ यह आता है वहाँ हम एन नहीं ए लगाते हैं. तो द राइट आंसर इज दिस इज अ यूनिक मेमोरियल ऑफ आवर country. That's finished. So we have done 10 questions. I hope that you all might have got me. And if you have any issue in a problem, we shall discuss in offline classes as well. And if you have any doubt, please message me on this channel, and I would like to sort them out. Thank you. Bye.